Melanie from Hempstead has a question about a door fit.
She has nice, heavy doors.
Good for her.
Melanie writes, problem is mostly in the under part of the door where you can see light coming through. They don't like that so much. Is there some way, she wants to know, to fill in this area without taking the door down? The doors are painted white except the front door, which, of course, is stained wood. What do you think?
Two ways to approach this. Number one is on the exterior doors, you would have a weather strip company come out and re-weather strip it and put a new threshold because that's what it needs. Now, if she's talking about interior doors or around there and they don't want a light under there either,
Right.
you've got to have at least an inch of an airspace under there for the air to move around for the air conditioning system. So I just want to cover that too. Interior doors, you must have a good space. Exterior doors, redo the threshold.
$18,000. That's what it cost me for not having an inch under all the doors around here, because I've got to put returns in all the rooms. And places.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
You like that inch. Trust me, man. You like that inch.
Did they really force that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm excited.
See, I thought I was lying.
No, you're telling the truth.
Okay.
You're telling the truth. Doggone it. Hey, got a question? Tom will answer it for you. You may not like it, but send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out other videos here, and we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our channel. Thanks.